Okay, I'm at my therapist. It's raining. I'll show you the parking lot. You can only see the door and people going in there, but I'll show you the parking lot. And here's part of the parking lot, but look at that. It's raining so bad you can't really see out my window. I'm getting ready to go in. Yep, it's raining. It is really bad out. But hey, that's what happens when you want to heal. You know, you gotta go whenever you can. Guys, 7-Up is so salty. Over here, over that way, that black building, it's called Pity Bone Coffee. John Cena last week, I can't believe it either, he was right there where that coffee sign is. Oh my gosh. We could have come down here and met him. 7-Up really likes John Cena. It's at that dark building over there and you can't really see it. But yep, he was over there. So now he is so salty. I feel so bad for him. Because if we would have known that, I would have been like, let's go see him. Oh no. I feel bad for him. Guys, I just invented something. Or I just found this out. Listen, okay? This is the GPS. Just bear with me. Just listen. On Wayne Avenue, turn left on Johnsonsville Road. And your destination will be on the right. I'm sorry. I'm stuck inside and it's hot out. So, when you turn left, take a right. Right after that. If you end up in a ditch, that's your fault. I will give you a detour right after you're in that ditch for about 5 minutes. You're stuck in the heat. I can't bring you no water, of course, but I can try to get you there safely. Have a good day.